This is Himalaya salt. You can get here Nido salt on packet. See Carrefour salt. Here is the spices you can get in Dayan. All the spices here like turmeric powder. See what is Arabic name here? So like this. Because lots of my UAE friends keep asking how we can get spices in here only. So do they have all the spices? So I'm going to make a video and show them. Yeah, if you go any Carrefour, you can get. See, black pepper whole like this, and white pepper powder, crushed black pepper, and chili, and cardamom. See, cardamom is here. So for the tea and your kheer, like rice pudding I was cooked, so I put it only 2 for the very good aroma. Here is they kept like this kind of masala to garam masala. You can grind and make a fresh garam masala here. No need to buy garam masala packet. Even they have a garam masala powder too. See, if you store it all in once, it will do work for a very long time. See, clove is here. Clove is very good. At least eat one in a day. And here is coriander, whole coriander. You can make it powder and put on your gravy. See, here all kind of masalas are here. Cumin seeds, whole cumin. As you can see, you can put on your water in the night and drink water, and with this it is very healthy. And whenever you come, you can get all kind of masalas here. See, and here is all sabji masalas like vegetables. Let's check if they have. See, they have coconut milk. So here we can get ghee, like many kind of ghee. Asil is very good. I tried it many times. Amul is also good. You can make a sweets with that. It is very, very good. It is very tasty. And use always must. See here, parachute coconut oil. This one is coconut oil. And mustard oils. See the mustard oil. Kanchi. Mustard oil. Sometime you can put it too. Like whenever you cook your veggies, just keep changing your oil. Then body won't like used to the same thing. Here garlic paste. You can get Szechuan sauce. Last sabji I was put Szechuan sauce. So here it is Szechuan sauce. So today I came here for my grocery. So I always make a list. So what I bought last time I will cross, and this time like whatever I will buy, just I have my list. I will not buy what I was bought last time. So like this you can change your food, and that question will go on what to cook today and what I have to cook, like this. See, tomato puree, but no need, because fresh tomato is good. And what I need more, let's see. Here, dal. The question is where we can get dal different. So today the question will solve. see the black dal. This masoor red whole, as you can see, careful. This is moong dal, moong yellow dal. You can cook it with your rice, boil it, put a turmeric and salt, and that's it. It's very yummy. And white dal, urad dal. This is called urad dal. Chana dal, chana dal. Okay, rajma. This is red kidney beans. It's called red kidney beans. And in Hindi we said rajma. It is very famous. Chickpeas. See? So I will cook all the one by one. So I am showing. Here is a green moong dal. We have very 2-3 kind of moong dal. Like it is whole. This is for the khichdi and all we use. And this is also very good. But whenever you cook khichdi, you should have to use this one, not this one. If you make a pakoras, for that this is good. Here is one more green pieces. You boil it. You can boil and put tomato and onion gravy and just eat it. So here is all kind of dal. Whatever is here, I showed you already. Here is tur dal. See, tur dal. What I cooked last, like a sambar. In a sambar, you have to use this one, tur dal. So this is done. All the pulses are here. And the next one, actually I already stored all kind of dals, so no need. Rice I have, so no need. And I collect some different kind of veggies this time, because last time I already took different, so this time I just change my veggies. And no need wrappers actually. My kids grown now. They don't need wrappers. Okay. Here is some Nivea, my favorite Nivea cream and shampoo, as you can see. Aloe vera face wash. See, aloe vera face wash is very good. Before sleeping, you can use it.